Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use pivot tables in Google Sheets desktop. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets and simply select the data that you wish to create a pivot table for. Once done, you're going to simply click on insert here and then you're going to select pivot table over here. And then you're going to select where you wish to create the pivot table, whether you want to insert a new sheet or existing sheet. So let's go with the new sheet, click on create, and now you can see that we are redirected to a new sheet with a pivot table. Now you'll be able to see numerous options over here such as suggested count of make by year, and we have sum of price for each make by year and count of make for each year by fuel type. So you can simply select any of these if you want to do so. So these are some suggested filters. You'll be able to see numerous rows, columns, values, filters that you can add. So if you wish to add a specific row, you can simply click on add over here and simply select the row that you wish to add. And just like that, you can also do for columns, click on add and simply add any column that you want to do so. And you can simply do that for filters as well. And whenever you apply any filter, your pivot table will automatically update whenever the original data changes. And that's basically it. That's how you can create and use pivot tables in Google Sheets. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.